Hello South Africa. Cold weekend with snow, rain and strong winds expected. A cold weekend with light snow, rain and strong winds is expected in several parts of the country. The second of two cold fronts will make landfall on Friday, and it will bring cold, wet, and windy conditions to the Cape provinces. The cold weather will spread into Mpumalanga and Limpopo by Sunday. Several high-level weather warnings are in place for the weekend. The South African Weather Services, SAWS, said light snowfall is expected over the mountains of the Western Cape and southwestern Northern Cape mainly from Friday evening. It advised the public and small stock farmers that loss of vulnerable livestock and crops can be expected due to the combination of very cold, windy, and wet conditions. These areas will be affected by the cold weather, rain and light snow: Karoo Hoogland/Sutherland, Witzenberg/Ceres, Breed Valley/Worcester, Stellenbosch, Langburg/Robertson, Caneland/Ladysmith, Laingsburg, Oudtshoorn, Prince Albert and Beaufort West. It could result in dangerous driving conditions for high-sided vehicles, damage due to falling tree branches, and damage to buildings in formal and informal settlements. Keep doors and windows shut. Take care while driving. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.